In this video, I'll detail the GR Corolla's unique and incredible manufacturing process which contributes to its perfect execution and exciting performance. Check this out. Always keep in mind that the GR Corolla is the handiwork of Toyota's performance and motorsport division, Gazoo Racing. With all-wheel drive, a 300 horsepower, 273 foot-pound of torque, turbo inline 3, and a close ratio 6-speed manual, this very special Corolla actually is a larger North American-focused version of the GR Yaris, which forms the basis for Gazoo's top-tier World Rally Championship race car. This GR Corolla is built at the same facility that previously built the $350,000 Lexus LFA. Just try to get an LFA for $350,000 today. This Gazoo Racing's factory daily output is a mere 49 GR Corollas. Why? Because these cars are essentially hand-built by Toyota manufacturing specialists called Takumi, all of whom have extensive experience at Toyota, with GR workstations arranged in semi-permanent cells that combine several of the regular Corolla's production steps into one. Welding the body shell together within a single jig gives the GR Corolla greater chassis precision than regular production methods. They use electric power tools rather than compressed air to lift and locate heavier sub-assemblies, which reduces cost and complexity by eliminating the need to run fixed airlines. In place of bulky conveyor systems, autonomous tugs running along the floor help shuttle partial vehicles from station to station. Workers check each machine's output by hand and push body shells around on dollies. The GR Corolla's solid feel and crisp reflexes largely stem from a structure reinforced with 9 extra feet of adhesive and 349 additional spot welds compared to mass-produced Corollas. While other Toyota products get welded together on a multiple stage chain of fixtures, the GR's body shell takes place on a single jig, greatly tightening its tolerances. The mounting points for each car's suspension are scanned and measured, and the data is used to match up individual components with complementary variances. Any similarities to the GR manufacturing process to how Gazoo constructs its race cars are not coincidental, since Akio Toyoda, now Toyota chairman, helped instill learnings from motorsports in both the development and the assembly of its production vehicles. His guiding message was to make GR models fit for the racetrack right off the showroom floor. As an example of the attention to detail, coil springs are measured and matched by minute rate differences for the best side-to-side balance. For each of the car's 4-piston front and 2-piston rear brake calipers, compressed air is used to measure their volumetric efficiency, again pairing them up for optimal balance. They're assembled into larger corner units with a separate jig, helping overlay the mounting point measurements of the various components with the body data of the cars coming down the line. The results are more precise alignment of bolt holes and tiny wheel angle variances compared with regular Toyota models. Combining the GR car's mechanicals with their painted bodies is again unique. Unlike regular Corolla production, GR model bodies are lowered onto the stationary mechanicals, which makes for a stronger connection by reducing the stress on the car's skeletons. Then assembled cars undergo an exhaustive array of motorsport-inspired verification steps. On the alignment rack, testers add weighted bags simulating 2 passengers and a tank of fuel, 165 pounds on each front seat, 55 pounds in the cargo area for ballast. Achieving the most accurate steering feel requires setting and then checking and resetting the rear axle alignment before making any tweaks to the front end. The GR Corolla's masterfully tuned brake pedal is verified for pressure and progression, followed by another round of chassis and suspension measurements. If any figures fall out of tolerance, new components and different wheels and tires are fitted, and the entire finishing process is started again. Only once a car gets a green light from here is it taken for a test drive and prepped for shipping. Often a product only becomes extraordinary due to the commitment shown by the craftsmen who do the assembly. If you speak to anyone at Gazoo Racing about the GR Corolla's essence as a driver's car, and their eyes fill with passion. For many, it represents a dream car that they themselves one day could own. Click here for your next video on the mighty GR Corolla, and I'll see you there.